If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to help improve your gaming experience. This guide will walk you through several adjustments you can make. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. Installing the latest drivers can significantly improve performance and reduce stuttering. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Launch Baldur's Gate 3 and navigate to the graphics settings. Lower the graphics quality settings such as textures, shadows, and effects. Reducing these settings can help improve frame rates and minimize stuttering. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background while playing the game. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other resource-intensive applications can consume system resources and lead to stuttering. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're playing through a platform like Steam, verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can resolve performance issues. Right-click on the game in your library, select Properties, then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 5. Adjust power settings. Change your computer's power settings to high performance. Go to Control Panel, select Power Options, and choose the High Performance plan. This setting ensures your system is using maximum resources for gaming, which can help reduce frame stuttering. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience with Baldur's Gate 3. Enjoy your adventure in the Forgotten Realms.